What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're at the Daniel Boone track. We're ripping around, and Mr. Powell's here. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, sir. Sirs.
Sirs.
And madams. I'm sorry.
Madams, exactly. What'd you think? How was your first couple laps?
I like it.
You do?
I'm working up to the one in the back corner over there. That one requires a little more thought.
Yeah. How's it CR been treating you, Mr. Powell?
Better than I deserve, for sure.
It looks so clean. Did you wash it before you came here?
I did.
Yeah, I can tell. It was nice and spit shine.
Look at those tires. How do you like the tires?
Got new boots. How do you like them, Mr.
I
Powell?
like them.
Oh, they look good. They look good.
Yeah.
You're ready, baby. Love to see it.
There's no holes in them or anything. No cracks.
Hey, we're racing this year, right?
We are.
Oh, I'd love to see it.
We are. The guy up at the stand said they're going to push the starting weekend by a week.
Okay.
They're going to update the webpage to show it.
Awesome.
So it won't be now it was the 5th. I think now it's the 12th.
Okay.
We wouldn't have ended up here if it was just me and Zach. We'd have probably gone to maybe the Redbird Crest, maybe. I don't know what we would have done, actually.
There's no doubt this is much more professional. Oh, this is incredible.
All right, let's say we get to riding, boys.
Live action.
that's it. End of the day. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know we certainly did. What'd you think, Luke?
We're good. We did great today. Mr. Powell absolutely destroyed us. he was hitting every jump. He hit every jump on this track before the day was even out. He had like 2 hours hitting every jump.
Mr. Powell, anything you would like to say to the viewers?
Thankful to be here. Thankful to be alive.
We made it through the day. Definitely was ripping hard on the CR. Bone stock, looking fresh. And that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.